how to disable dark mode on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you enabled dark mode on TikTok and now want to turn it off? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the hamburger menu at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit. Under Content and Display section, you will see Display option. Tap on it. Now, select the Light option. As you can see, dark mode is now disabled. But if you have turned on the button for the feature, Use Device Settings, then you don't need to navigate to this page every time to enable or disable dark mode. There's a quicker way. Swipe down on your screen to access Quick Settings. Find the dark mode feature and turn it off. As you can see, dark mode is now disabled. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to turn off dark mode on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.